हेलो फ्रेंड। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। दिस इज द डिज़ाइन ऑफ कोर्स। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द ड्राइंग नो। तो दिस इज द ड्राइंग। तो सिंपल, दिस इज a सिंपल डिज़ाइन एंड हमें ये डिज़ाइन को बनाना था CATIA में। एंड ऑफ कोर्स बूलियन ऑपरेशंस को यूज़ करके, बूलियन ऑपरेशन, मिनिमल ऑपरेशंस को यूज़ करके हम इस डिज़ाइन को कैसे बनाएंगे। तो इसके लिए वही बेसिक सी चीज़ है, ये कैसे बनी हुई है। पहले तो इस डिज़ाइन को आप देखेंगे, इसके डायमेंशंस को देखेंगे, और इट सीम समवॉट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, इट्स नॉट क्वाइट इजी। जैसे कि ये इधर से कट किया गया है ये पार्ट, एंड दीज आर होल्स, यू नो, 6 drilled 2 holes। जो दीज 2 holes आपको बोथ साइड आइडेंटिकल ऑफ dia 6, and these are through holes like up to the plane. And this is the lugs like this design. These lugs are identical on both sides, so of course, and the distance is 48 hole to hole, and this is 24 from this hole to this hole. And the parameters are set by from this center, and dimensions are given, and from here the dimensions are given, and from this the small dimensions are given. So stage by stage dimensions are given. So in boolean operations we create separate bodies and then we create the parts. So we first create like this part, you know, and then we cut this, then we create this, and then this. And of course we can make that this is symmetrical from this side. So here somewhere, or here somewhere, you can say, or here somewhere, our axis system or origin must be. So this is how, this is a part body, and ordered geometric set, and I have set some planes, and of course I've taken separate planes. Why I've taken this some separate planes for just for the holes actually, to for creating the holes, you know. And for these two holes, this, and for holes I use the hole command, and of course this hole then the rectangular part on. I haven't used the separate remove command. Of course for this I have remove command. So first we understand the basic things. How I started is this, some basic thing like 28.52 to 28.57 ream. Reaming is a process of enlarging a hole. So the diameter of this is somewhat in this limit, like 28.545, you can see. And of course this is 38, and this dia is 41. So this is how I created, and this is for central drill to dia 6, draw 60-degree CSK counter sunk hole. So this is a counter sunk hole, and up to dia 6, like this is a dia 4 central drill hole, but this is dia 6, then this inner hole is dia 4. And similarly in this language, like 12 drill, 25 spot face, draw 2 deep. Like, so this diameter is 25, and this depth of this countable is 2 mm, and then the drill, this is 12 mm. So, and all the flats and outer are 2, and similarly here 82-degree counter sunk hole, degree to dia 9. So the this outer dia is dia 9, and this diameter, this through hole diameter is dia 6. So here I can see like you see in this hole. So you know, 6 drill, 82 degrees countersunk to dia 9. So 6 mm up to next, and this is a countersunk hole, angle and diameter 9, and angle and diameter. You know, there are other parameters also, but this is it. This is what we use because angle and diameter are given. Similarly here, angle and diameter, and let me show you this hole. So here also, this is a dia 12 hole, and then this is a counter bore. So this dia is 25 with two tests. Okay, so this is it. Hmm. Now we see the whole methodology. I'm not drawing parallelly, and because I've already uploaded some of the videos and it takes too much time, and then the cutting and the all other thing, cutting of the video, and I don't spend too much time, not a single much time in video editing. So rather I just use the screen recording, and after the screen recording I just upload the video. So this method is quite okay. So body one, let's see. Define and work object. So first body I created is this, and just the pad. Like I said, the origin. So it's somewhat a similar consideration of similar body, and we make this the middle point is the origin. So this is a sketch you can see, and then body three. Then we added the flanges. Because the height of this and height of the flanges are different. This is 16 and this total height is 48. Then body 5, let's see, let me show you. So we have made this cut, you know, this cut, we have to cut it now. So this is it, this is how it was like after this. Then I created this, then I created this. So this was all quite easy. And after that, then it's all hunky dory, it's all the same. Give some edge fillet and make some hole. Body 4. These holes, of course, these holes are created by the boolean operation. Then these holes, of course, this edge fillet I should do it in the last. So let's see if I can rearrange, reorder after rectangular button. May I? No, 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 no. So, oh, let it be. There may be some things, some projections or something. So, let's define. So, this is how I created this, and it was quite an easy part. So, it's not difficult. You can also do it. So, thanks for watching.